Hello everyone, welcome to GEEKERMAG. In today's video, we will be discussing Windows 11 latest cumulative update KB5036980 and the new recommendations feature or app advertisement in the start menu. And if you're not happy with it, then we will cover steps to disable it as well. But before we move forward, if you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages us to create more similar videos. Microsoft has recently rolled out cumulative update KB5036980 for Windows 11 with new features. One of them is recommendations in the start menu. According to release notes, the recommended section of the start menu will show some Microsoft Store apps. These apps come from a small set of curated developers, and the purpose is to help users discover some useful apps. These recommendations will appear on the bottom of the start menu here. Some users are not happy with this change and calling the recommendations feature a new way of promoting Store app and would like to disable it. If you landed on this video, then you're one out of them for sure, right? Here's how you can disable recommendations or app advertisements in the start menu of Windows 11. Launch the Settings app. Switch to the Personalization tab. On the right side, select Start. Here, you need to toggle off the option that reads Show recommendations for tips, shortcuts, new apps, and more, and you're done. Do you use Windows 11 recommendations? Do you find them useful? Let us know in the comments. So that's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.